Good morning, friends. Welcome to one more video of Trade with H, our pre-market report. Let's start with important news update. So, in important news update, Bharti Airtel plans payment banks and data center units IPO. Tata Capital said that to seek as much as 11 billion in a IPO valuation. Now, this would be positive for Tata Group companies, especially companies which hold stake in Tata Capital. So Tata Chemical, Tata Investment would be positive for these stocks. US market again witnessed one sharp fall, down by 1.5% after US President Trump said that a 25% levy of tariff on Canada and Mexico will take effect from Tuesday. So people were expecting some last moment turnaround or last moment call of duties, but it's going as planned. Data is also worsening in US, so that was another reason market fell sharply. IEX reported 9% YOY increase in electricity traded volume in Feb 25. Paytm ED issues show cause notice to Paytm parents 197 communication for alleged FEMA violation was 611 crore. IRFC and IRCTC have now become the 25th and 26th Navratna companies of India. So global markets are not in good shape. Nasdaq down 2.6%, S&P 500 1.7%. European markets were positive, but GIFT Nifty showing 160 points gap down. Nikkei is down 2%, Hang Seng 1%, Taiwan 1%, and Shanghai 0.18. So one more bad day for markets. So in long short data, I can see MCX short built up in MCX. Few days back we discussed short built up in BSE, MCX. Both stocks have shown the short built up, and we can see currently BSE is down by almost 15% from that level. Now let's look at OI data. So OI data clearly indicating fresh put writing happening around 21,800 level. So next support lies at 21,800. Call writing at 22,400, and we can see call writing around 922,000 level also. It's maybe quantum is small, but yes, support moving on downwards. And open interest data agar dekhe 21,800, so higher call writing, we can see aggressive call writing, and put writing is subdued from 22,000 to 21,800 range. Now 22,000 range would be tested, and we have to see how these guys react. And obviously there are some put trap put writers jinka unwinding ho raha hai काफी दिनों से. So yes, data is also mild bearish only. Global cues are bearish. Now let's look at where the support lies. So if you remember a few days back, when we were trading around 22,800 or 22,700 level, I indicated now next level zone would be 22,200 to 21,800. Now obvious reason for that was, if you look at here, what I have done, I have drawn a extension, Fibonacci extension for this move. Okay, and it's coming around 21,825 level. So obviously that would be one support, and 22,200 zone was a regression line support. Okay, so this zone was a support, but it there are no current indication that market is taking this support or not. So we have to closely watch how market behaves around 21,800 level. So below 21,800 level, next level obviously comes around the election day low, which is 21,300 level. So yes, market is at interesting levels, but important thing is the reversal. Now bank Nifty is more resilient as compared to Nifty. So Nifty से Bank Nifty थोड़ा strong है. and it might give up its support. So जो initial fall था, so we are already around here. So Bank Nifty में initial fall recovery, we could not sustain this breakdown level. One more fall, and now this swing low is also seem to be breaking. So this would be negative for Bank Nifty today, and next target straight away at 46,135 election day low, ये next target बन सकता है. So yes, fresh down move in Bank Nifty is also starting. If I talk about important levels today, so Nifty में obviously week below level भी activate होगा आज. So 22,064 के नीचे week trades for 21,880 and 21,743 targets, and strong above level is 22,181. So this would be stop loss for shorts. And so guys, how do I trade these levels in a gap down, right? So what happens in gap down? Say we get a gap down around this level, and any recovery towards this level and then fresh fall starting, so I'll focus on short trade only in any recovery. और जो फर्स्ट कैंडल बनेगा 10 मिनट्स का, उसके नीचे अगर ब्रेक हो गए हम लोग, तो दैट वुड बी अ फ्रेश ट्रेड ट्रिगर. सो इट्स डिपेंड हाउ मार्केट ओपन, हाउ इट रिएक्ट्स इन फर्स्ट 10-15 मिनट्स. बट यस, व्यू इज ऑलवेज bearish below this level. Clear? Let it be gap down or gap up. Now Bank Nifty में week below level is 48,000. Below this level 47,825 and 47,539 level का target बनेगा, and strong above level is 48,276. Any gap down and recovery towards this level would be a short opportunity. अब अगर मैं इंपॉर्टेंट ब्रेकआउट ब्रेकडाउन की बात करूं, तो एंजल 1 में एक ब्रेकडाउन देखने मिल रहा है बिलो 2030 लेवल. दिस इज अ मेजर ब्रेकडाउन, एक मेजर स्विंग लो का ब्रेकडाउन है. सेकंड स्टॉक विच इज क्लोज टू ब्रेकडाउन इज एक डबल बॉटम बना है, वो डबल बॉटम का ब्रेकडाउन पे है आईजीएल. जियो फाइनेंस ब्रेकिंग इट्स ऑल टाइम लो. सो पोस्ट लिस्टिंग जो 25 अगस्त 2023 का लो था 200 लेवल, उसके नीचे एक ब्रेकडाउन आ रहा है, एंड वॉल्यूम्स आर आल्सो एक्सेलरेटिंग. यस, सो गाइस, दिस वाज ऑन डेटा फ्रंट. अगर आप चार्ट्स, डेटा, ओआई रिलेटेड कुछ सीखना चाहते हैं, हमारे फ्री सेमिनार, फ्री वेबिनार्स अटेंड कीजिए. एंड डेटा एनालिसिस कैसे करना है, ओआई डेटा कैसे रीड करना है, वो आप सीख सकते हैं. सो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक है, उसे फिल कीजिए, यू विल गेट द इनविटेशन. सो थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच.